on Shri's place. Today we're here at another part of our house where we have a potato plant that has died, and now we're gonna harvest the potatoes from it. But before we harvest it, I'm gonna water the plant, to get better potatoes. Oh, there's one potato sticking out right there. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. You can easily see the potatoes, guys. And there's another one. Whoa, there's so many potatoes, guys. Now, let's see, I'm just gonna pluck one.
Oh, they're so wet.
Yeah, I did it. Yeah. Whoa, this one's a big. Oh, God, my hands are dirty. I hate it. Just gonna put that there. Might have to wash it. Oh, look, there's some baby potatoes on it.
Oh.
There's baby potatoes.
Let's see if there's any more.
Dig. Oh, what is this? I have no idea what this is. Let's dig some more. Oh, found one.
Oh, here's one.
Oh, I'm finding some big ones today, guys.
What's this?
Ah, here's one.
It's just a lump of dirt.
Just a lump of dirt.
Okay, I don't see any more potatoes.
Me neither. Now, let's see. There's one on this side. Oh, there's one.
Oh, here's a lot. Oh, these are just... Yeah, here's some potatoes.
Did you move your feet? See if we can find any more here.
Oh, here's one. No, this is a very tiny potato.
So we're getting lots of big potatoes today.
Oh, here's one.
Under my butt. Looks like I think I already dug it.
Whoa. And let's take this out because we don't need that. Goodbye. So, is that it? I don't know. Because last time we plucked a lot of potato, but this time it's not much.
We did get some big ones, guys.
Well, I think that's it.
You sure? Let's double check. Because last time I double checked in the video,
You found a tiny potato and a worm.
Is this a rock? What?
Okay, yeah, I think that's it.
Sure? Is this part of it? See this, guys? Do you have any?
Do you guys, boys, is there any here? This is a nutshell.
So that's not what we're looking for. Yuck, I think this is a seed potato. Yuck. Just like holes in it, and the inside just dirt.
Another seed potato.
In the last video. I'm gonna keep that right there.
It's very disgusting.
Alright, guys,
so now here's all the potatoes we plucked from that potato plant over there, like we just did. And we have 2 more potato plants
right here that have almost died. So we're gonna wait a little longer, then you can harvest the potatoes. So as you can see, the yellow leaves represent that it's almost dying. And it looks like there's some potato right here. I don't think it's fully grown, so I'm just gonna leave it there.
Can we go inside now? I weren't.
As we are back, and now here at the potato plant, which has died. And now we're gonna harvest the potatoes from it. And this is not a potato plant. It's a different type of plant, which we will try not to disturb its roots. So I have some tools here to help me harvest the potatoes in my red bowl that we always use when we're harvesting potatoes. And now I have my huge jug of water. Now I'm gonna pour some water to see if any of the potatoes show. Oh, there's one. There's 2. And I got too much water. Okay, guys, now anyway, let's start harvesting. Stick here. Let's stick here. Okay, guys, first let's take out the plant. Oh my god! What the? Oh my gosh! Whoa. Oh, I think this is a seed potato. What do you think? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a seed potato. Get that right there. And now let's harvest the potato. Guys, look at all these. We have more. Ooh, a jackpot. Okay, let's use some of my tools. Guys, ooh, another one. What's it here? There's some over here, guys. This one. And now there's two of them showing up there. This one. And there's one deep buried down there. This one. Not just there's any deep down anywhere, anything. Any more of the potatoes. Oh, here's one. Can't believe I didn't notice that. Tiny potato. Oh, here's one. Looks like potatoes are near the plant. Oh, I didn't put this part out. Yeah. Oh, you see that little potato showing right there? Can't miss that. There's the rest out. Lots of potato debris. Check here. Any sign of that? No, it doesn't look like there's any more, but I can't really get that out. Oh, that was hard. Okay, so we have this much potatoes so far covered in a lot of dirt. And my hands are too. I spill more dirt. I need a seed potato. And check if there's anything else. Almost forgot one, so I'm taking it out gently. Oh, here's a baby potato. Or slightly. There's a potato right there. Or smooth them on lightly. Because we're entering their roots. I think this is part of the potato plant. Down. This part of the potato plant. Scrub that. Ooh, muddy. That means there's a seed potato or it's water. It means something like that. Ooh, seed potato skin. That. And I think oh, here's a seed potato. It's covered in dirt. Now, I think that's pretty much it, guys, because I can't seem to find anymore. Look, guys, so here is all the potatoes I harvested. It's not as much as our first video of the potato harvest. That we harvested a lot. So in here is about, I don't know, maybe 12, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14 potatoes. Estimate was wrong. 15 There was 15 potatoes in here. Hey, 2 potatoes, guys. So I think this is fair enough for how much potatoes it harvested. So now we're just gonna cook these into yummy french fries and eat them up. These both are purple potatoes. As you can see, they're both a little bit sprouted. So I'm gonna put them in here with the others. So I'm just gonna put a hole for it. It's deep enough. There, put that there. Put that up. Grow. It should go. And then some deeper here. There, and now that should go. Just push it a little bit down. Okay, now let's plant it. And now I'm gonna water it. Good. Now let's see how the purple potatoes, guys, grow.